Here we are back at the main telecom panel inside the shop right here. So just to explain what's going on here, we have our clear curve fiber right here that's going outside and spliced to our fiber drop coming from the road. That feeds into this NA, which is a network access hub, and that provides internet. So there's an SFP inside here that's converting the fiber back to copper data. And then we have, out of port 1, we have this going to a media converter, which converts the signal back to fiber. We have an LC UPC patch cord to an SC APC, and that's spliced into the clear curve that wraps the building and goes down to the main house. So that's that part there. And then we have a booster here, which is actually providing Wi-Fi in the shop, and we're getting around 840 down, 840 up right now with this. The cables are a little messy with this just because it has to be mounted like this. And then we have an RG11 cable that's feeding through a built-in Mocha on the NA into a Mocha on a booster, because these right there, you can see there's a Mocha. And there's another booster in their cabin at the back, which I'll show you in a second. And that's how that's being fed, through the coax. And if you're asking why, because there was already a directly buried coax at the pole where the drop comes from. So I just routed another RG11 back to the pole, spliced them together, and that's what completed the connection to the guest house or the cabin in the back. And then this is feeding the main house.